Hi guys. So this is how I did my survey. So I went to the link and I started. So basically once you start, it gives you something like this. So what this is actually the page that comes up when you click on the link. Then you press this, which brings you right over here. Something like this. So once you start, it just basically gives you just start again. So just gives you something like this. It gives you a title where you put your title, the title of your survey, the description. Then you just go straight and just dig in right to this question. So basically ask whatever question you want the response, whether you want multiple options, you want a short paragraph, a short essay or something, whatever you want, it just gives you that. So this is basically what I've done. This is mine. Where are you? Okay. So this is my chatbot survey. So I basically went ahead, I did my description and everything. So I asked my questions. So I put my the first question I asked was age. So basically you could just once you put the age, you put whatever question your options, then you can make it a required question. So whenever they answer the survey, they are like it makes it a compulsory question to answer. So I just actually made mine a required question. Then once you're done, you just press click on here, you go to the next, you ask the next question, and you do the same thing over and over again. Then you delete whatever you want to delete if you made an error. So basically once you're done, everything is here. Then you attach your link, your video, and no, everything just here. Just do what you want to do. Then you go back, you go next, then you expect your response. So basically I have 11 people that have responded, so that's good. So once you're done with your response, to get the old Excel sheet, you press this green button. So this green button takes you to this. This is the Excel sheet. Where are you? Okay, yeah. This is the Excel sheet. It's like a mathematical representation of your survey. So it just shows the analysis of everything you've done. Then you just once you've done it, then you input your formula. You go to tools, then you go to script editor. So the formula was given to us during the assignment and everything. So you just copy and paste. That's basically what you do, and you save it. Then you just go back to where you came from. Then you once you've imputed everything and it actually brought the whole calculations, you do whatever calculations you need to do, then you share. Once you share, then that's all. That's basically all you need to do.